CSS करंट अफेयर पास पेपर सोल्यूशन जो है वो शुरू कर रहे हैं। ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट ये 2005 से है, क्योंकि 2005 से पहले जो है वो सारा सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट था। तो 2005 में जो MCQs आए हैं वो हैं: द वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डेस्ट इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज़ anti-slavery. Anti-slavery is the world's oldest international human rights organization. Next, the Constitution of the European Union has not been ratified by France. After United States, the largest contributor in the United Nations budget is Japan. Ariana is an airlines of Afghanistan. What is the currency of Sudan? Sudanese pound. China's fastest growing economy is facing a major challenge of population explosion. Next, US President George Bush has created Millennium Challenge Account to fight against global poverty. 38th parallel is a boundary line between North Korea and South Korea. In which month does the UN General Assembly usually meet every year? September. Pakistan has recently have been given observer status in Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The project to reduce waterlogging and salinity area in Pakistan has been financially supported by Asian Development Bank. Pakistan US navies recently conducted joint exercises in the Arabian Sea by the name Inspired Union. Which of the following internet search engines will introduce the world's biggest digital library, that is Google? The recently appointed United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, Antonio Guterres, is a former Prime Minister of Portugal. When a country grants another country MFN, most favored nation status in mutual trade, it implies providing same trade concessions as are being given to other countries without any discrimination. Next, the program United Nations Millennium Development Goals is focusing on eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality, all of these. So इसका आंसर है all of these. eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, ये भी जो है वो फोकस है उसका, अचीव यूनिवर्सल प्राइमरी एजुकेशन ये भी, और promote gender equality ये भी. The largest agency of FATA, federally administered tribal areas by area, is South Waziristan. Reuters is the news agency of UK. SARC Human Resource Development Center is located at Delhi, Colombo, Karachi, इन तीनों में से किसी में भी नहीं वाक़या. Under Vision 2025, WAPDA will construct Satpara Dam on Indus River in northern areas. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। CSS करंट अफेयर पास्ट पेपर सॉल्यूशन के साथ जो है आज का जो हमारा टॉप ईयर है वो है 2006। इसमें जो MCQs आए थे वो हैं: हाउ मैनी मेडल्स वर वॉन बाय पाकिस्तान इन द 18th कॉमनवेल्थ गेम। 18वीं कॉमनवेल्थ गेम में पाकिस्तान ने कितने मेडल जीते? 5। द करेंसी ऑफ चाइना इज़ युआन। In the absence of president, who becomes the acting president of Pakistan? Chairman Senate. Han Myung has become the first woman prime minister of South Korea. Douglas A. Silliman is the US ambassador to Iraq. Next. H5N1 is the name of a virus. Biman is the airline of Bangladesh. Which country's border with Pakistan is called Durand Line? Afghanistan. Xinhua is the news agency of China. The headquarters of UN Security Council is located at New York. Next, who is the governor of State Bank of Pakistan? That is Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Nobel Peace Prize for the year 2005 was awarded to Mr. Alberday together with International Atomic Energy Agency. Who is the United States Assistant Secretary of State for South Asian and Central Asian Affairs? Richard A. Boucher. What was the magnitude of earthquake that shook northern Pakistan and Azad Kashmir on October 8, 2005? इसमें इसकी कोई जो है वो रेंज नहीं लिखी होगी, ये आपको पता नहीं चाहिए जो भी उसकी मैग्नीट्यूड थी। रफ़ीक बहाउद्दीन अल हरीरी हैड बीन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ लेबनान. Angela Merkel is the Chancellor of Germany. Fourth state applied to press. The author of The Spirit of Islam is Sayyid Amir Ali. The South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation यानी SAARC Standing Committee had agreed in principle to grant an observer status to United States and South Korea. George Washington was the first president of USA who is the incumbent vice president of America. जॉर्ज बुश भी नहीं, गेरल्ड फोर्ड भी नहीं, डिक चेने भी नहीं, इनमें से इसका कोई जवाब नहीं है. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. CSS करंट अफेयर पास्ट पेपर ये जो सीरीज़ है 2007 का आज का ईयर है जो हमने देखना है इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट का. इसमें जो MCQs थे उनमें पहला था पेट्रोनस टावर्स आर लोकेटेड इन कुआलालंपुर. नेम ऑफ द प्रेजेंट UN Secretary General is Ban Ki-moon. रिमेंबर ये करंट अफेयर 2007 के हैं, तो ये जो नेम ऑफ प्रेजेंट यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल, ये उस ईयर के हिसाब से ये करंट अफेयर्स हैं, तो आपको प्रेजेंट भी पता होने चाहिए. द लेंथ ऑफ कॉमन बॉर्डर बिटवीन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान इज़ नन ऑफ दीज. 900 नहीं, 1000 नहीं, 1100 भी नहीं. Last SAARC conference was held in 2004 at Islamabad. China became the member of World Trade Organization. None of these. इसका ईयर भी आपको बताना चाहिए कि चाइना कब जो है वो उसका मेंबर बना. The number of players in each team of basketball game is 5. Which is the largest surah of Holy Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah. The Olympic Games in 2004 were held in Athens. How many members the National Security Council Pakistan has? None of these. Nobel Peace Prize of year 2006 was awarded to Dr. Muhammad Yunus. Next, Denzel Washington is renowned as Hollywood actor. The number of OIC member states is 57. Mahubul Haq Human Development Center is located at Islamabad. Hugo Chavez is the president of Venezuela. The current president of Venezuela is Nicolas Maduro. ये करंट है नोट, लेकिन जो उस वक्त का जो प्रेसिडेंट था वो ह्यूगो चैवेज था. What is the name of only Pakistani who won Nobel Prize? डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम. ये 2007 की बात है. ऑब्वियसली अब जो है वो चीज़ें चेंज हो गई हैं. अब आपको पता है कि अब इसके अलावा और जो नोबेल पीस प्राइज़ है वो किसे मिला है. Maple leaf is the national emblem of Canada. Name of Bangladesh Parliament is Jatiya Sangsad. India has constructed Bagla Dam in occupied Kashmir district of Doda. Hamas was founded in 1987 by Sheikh Ahmed Yassin. Which of the following regions of Balochistan will be irrigated through Kachi Canal project? Nasirabad. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. CSS करंट अफेयर जो पास पेपर है उनके सॉल्यूशंस की जो आज का ईयर है वो 2008 है. इसमें जो MCQs थे उनमें पहला है ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंटरनेशनल इज़ बेस्ड इन बर्लिन. नेक्स्ट, द लार्जेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन इन पाकिस्तान कम्स थ्रू thermal power source is the largest source of electricity generation in Pakistan. Pakistan's largest export partner is America. India is constructing Kishanganga Dam in Jammu. WAFA is the news agency of none of these. ना सीरिया की है, ना जॉर्डन की है, ना इजिप्ट की है. Former US Vice President Al Gore has won Nobel Peace Prize 2007 from his campaign against global warming. May 3 each year is internationally observed as Press Freedom Day. The world's largest producer of uranium is none of these. Na Australia, na South Africa, na Canada. The district of the country having lowest population density is Kalat. Qantas is an airline of Australia. Qantas is an airline of Australia. The first Muslim Nobel laureate was Anwar Sadat of Egypt. Darfur conflict is in Sudan. Prachinar is a main town of Kuram Agency. 1 US barrel oil equals to none of these, not 20, not 15, not 30 liters. Ringgit is the currency unit of Malaysia. Chenkyab Dorji was the Secretary General of SAARC. The first President of America who made an official visit to Pakistan was Dwight D. Eisenhower. The Aid of Pakistan Consortium meets every year in Paris. General Michael Hayden is the US Air Force General. Which of the following international organization has no formal structure and secretariat? That is G8. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CSS Current Affairs Pakistan Solution. This time this is year 2009. इसमें जो MCQs थे उनमें जो पहले नंबर पे था that was who is Nicolas Sarkozy, that is French president. Next, what position Hu Jintao holds in China? General Secretary of Communist Party and President of the country, and this is both of them. Who is the President of World Bank? Robert Brace-Zulik. मैंने पहले भी एक वीडियो में कहा था कि ये करंट अफेयर्स डिफरेंट ईयर्स के हैं, तो जो आज के करंट अफेयर्स हैं उनके MCQs में इनके आंसर डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक आज का जो है वो उस लिहाज से आप जो है 21 में जो भी आंसर है वो लगाएंगे. नेक्स्ट है, वेयर इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल लोकेटेड? दैट इज़ इन लंडन. Asian Development Bank ADB was established in 1966. Next, who were the three statesmen who formulated non-aligned movement? It was Nehru, Nasser and Tito. The permanent secretariat of SAARC is established at Kathmandu. Who was the founder of HMAS in 1887? That is Sheikh Ahmad Ismail Hassan Yasin. How many official working languages are recognized by United Nations? That is 6. In which month does the UN General Assembly usually meet every year? September. Alliance among India, Germany, Japan, Brazil to support each other bid for permanent seat on United Nations Security Council is called G4. Which of the following countries have the power of veto in the General Assembly of UNO? USA, Russia, China, all of these. The term of office of a judge of the International Court of Justice is 9 years. The Iran-Pakistan-India gas pipeline is also known as Peace Pipeline. The first parliamentary elections in Afghanistan were held in 2005. Next, which is the national flower of Pakistan? That is jasmine. After Pashtun, the largest ethnic group in Afghanistan is Tajiks. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. What is the capital of Nigeria? Abuja. Name of the currency of Sri Lanka? That is rupiah. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम CSS करंट अफेयर्स जो पास पेपर सोल्यूशन है, इसकी जो सीरीज़ है उसका जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है वो आज का जो है वो 2010 का है. 2005 to 2009 हैव बीन अपलोडेड. इसमें जो MCQs थे उनमें जो पहला MCQ है वो है विच आर द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज़ इन द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट एमिटर ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एटमॉस्फेयर में जो एमिट हो रही है वो किस कंट्री में हो रही है? दैट इज़ चाइना. हु इज़ स्टैनले मैकग्रेस्टल, commander of US forces in Afghanistan? The headquarters of Greenpeace International is located in Amsterdam. Headquarter of Greenpeace International is located at Amsterdam. The oldest internet search engine among the following is Yahoo. Yahoo is the oldest search engine. The power generating capacity of the Amir Bhasha Dam would be 4500 megawatt. Next, Antara is the news agency of Indonesia. Next, the largest opium producer province of Afghanistan is Hemland. Silk Air is an airline of Singapore. Next, Channel Tunnel is an undersea rail tunnel linking England and France. The Strait of Malacca is the main shipping channel between the Indian Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. Next, the recently published book Between Dreams and Realities is written by none of these. शमशाद अहमद ने भी नहीं लिखी, गोहर अयूब ने भी नहीं लिखी और साहिबजादा यकूब अली ख़ान ने भी नहीं लिखी. The largest agency of FATA by population is South Waziristan. Which of the following categories of Nobel Prize was established in 1968, that is of medicine? The total cultivable land of Pakistan is approximately 80 million hectares. अगेन ये 2010 के जो है वो करंट अफेयर्स हैं. आज की जो टोटल कल्टिवेटेड लैंड है वो चेंज हो सकती है, तो उसका आपको पता होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, हु इज़ फ्रैंकोइस फिलन? He is not Prime Minister of Italy, not President of Germany, not Foreign Minister of France. इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है. The largest island of Indian Ocean is Madagascar. 3 मई observed internationally as Press Freedom Day. ये पहले भी आया हुआ है, तो ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ है, ये मज़ीद पूछा जा सकता है. 2016 Summer Olympics will be held in Rio de Janeiro. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Environmental Treaty Kyoto Protocol will expire in 2012. As these are the current affairs of 2009. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. इसकी करंट अफेयर्स पास्ट पेपर जो सोल्यूशन है उसमें जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है उसका ये जो अब का है हमारा 2011 का है, 2010 तक जो है वो अपलोड हो चुके हैं. इसमें MCQs हैं, उनमें जो हैं वो पहला है The world's highest mountain, that is known as Mount Everest, is in Nepal. On the map of world, which country appears as a long shoe? Italy. Headquarters of Red Cross are in Geneva. The Amir Bhasha has been planned on the river Indus. Haji scam 2010 struck a blow to Azam Sawati and Hamid Saeed Kazmi. Who was the special representative of USA for Afghanistan and Pakistan affairs? Richard Holbrooke. AF Pak policy was announced in 2009. Ship mounted energy project activity in Pakistan in 2010 is sponsored by Turkey. Asian Development Bank was established in 1966. Who were the three statesmen who formulated non-aligned movement? Nehru, Nasser and Tito. ये भी क्वेश्चन पहले आया हुआ है. The permanent secretariat of SAARC is established at Kathmandu. ये भी पहले पूछा गया है. Which of the following is the largest emitter of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? ये भी पहले पूछा गया है, that is China. The Rio Conference on Sustainable Development was convened in 1992. World Trade Organization was established in 1995. How many official working languages are recognized by UN? No. 6. ये क्वेश्चन भी पहले पूछा जा चुका है, इस वजह से ये भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. The first UN conference on sustainable development happened in 1962. Mirani Dam exists in Balochistan. The founder of WikiLeaks scam belongs to Australia. There are how many non-permanent members of Security Council for 10. Pakistan has become non-permanent member of Security Council for 3 times. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम CSS करंट अफेयर पाकिस्तान पास पेपर जो सोल्यूशन है उस सीरीज़ का जो आज का हमारा ईयर है वो 2012 है। 2005 से 2011 तक जो है वो हम पहले अपलोड कर चुके हैं। तो 2012 में जो MCQs आए थे उनमें पहला MCQ था द फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्टेड बैराज ऑफ पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान का सबसे पहला कंस्ट्रक्टेड बैराज दैट वाज सक्कर बैराज। नेक्स्ट, वेयर वाज हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम बोर्न। हज़रत ईसा कहाँ पैदा हुए? दैट वाज जेरूसलम। RAW is an abbreviation of Research and Analysis Wing. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Charles John Canning. According to Rousseau, legitimate political authority is based on social conduct. East India Company was established in 1600. British government sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh in 1846. Gymnophobia is a fear of nudity. McMahon is the border between India and China. Places experiencing equal impact of an earthquake are called seismic lines. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Largest airport of the world is Dubai Airport. Wafa news agency belongs to Palestine. FBI of America was established in 1908. Who was the founder of Republican Party of United States? अब्राहम लिंकन भी नहीं है, जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन भी नहीं, थियोडोर रूजवेल्ट भी नहीं, none of these. Who was the first chief minister of Balochistan from May 1972 to February 1973? That is Ataullah Mengal. Who was the first Muslim Chief of Air Staff of Pakistan? That is Air Marshal Asghar Khan. Which country is the biggest producer of uranium in the world? France, South Africa, Canada, none of these. In Pakistan, the first martial law was imposed on October 1958. The federal government established Thar Coal Authority in which year? 2008. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CSS current affair past paper सॉल्यूशन की सीरीज इसमें जो आज का हमारा ईयर है दैट इज़ ऑफ 2013। इसमें जो एमसीक्यूज थे उनमें पहला एमसीक्यू है द इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ पीस समटाइम्स अनऑफिशियली नोन एज वर्ल्ड पीस डे is observed annually on 21st September. International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed annually on 25th November. International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination is observed annually on 21st March. Martin Luther King Jr. was clergyman, activist and leader. He is famous for civil rights movement using non-violent civil obedience in United States of America. Which of the following country has absolutely no military force? Iceland. Next, NATO headquarters are located in none of these. Birmingham, Barcelona, Baltimore, none of these. The South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, known as SAARC, is an organization of South Asian nations. Which of the following countries is not a member of SAARC? That is Myanmar. The UN uses the Human Development Index to demonstrate how well country is provided for its welfare and security. Which of the following states has not ratified the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty CTBT? That is United States. The most significant greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. An index that estimates the true rate of exchange among currencies is called purchasing power parity. The idea that leaders initiate foreign conflicts in order to distract public opinion from controversial domestic policies is called diversionary theory of war. The lowest percentage of internet users is found in Africa. The most prosperous member of Global South, which have become important exporter and markets for major industrialized countries, are known as newly industrialized countries. In international relations, a global system containing two dominant powers is labeled with which of the following terms? Bipolar. The Axis powers in the World War II did not include Soviet Union. The proposition that a single dominant power can promote world peace comes from hegemonic stability theory. The US ambassador J. Christopher Stevens was killed by militants in Benghazi, Libya. Dash explains how rational, self interested behavior by individuals may have a destructive collective effect. Tragedy of commons. The process through which a country increases its capacity to meet its citizens' basic human needs and raise their standard of living is known as development. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सी एस एस करंट अफेयर्स पाकिस्तान पेपर जो सोल्यूशन की सीरीज़ है उसमें जो आज का अब का ईयर है हमारा दैट इज़ ऑफ 2014। उसमें जो एमसीक्यूज थे उसमें पहला था लार्जेस्ट लैंड लॉक्ड कंट्री इज़ काज़ाकिस्तान। लेंथ ऑफ खैबर पास 53 kilometers. Suez Canal was constructed in November 1869. Pakistan People's Party was founded in November 13, 1967. What does Viva Voce means? With living voice by word of mouth, both A and B. What does ADHO stands for? Premeditative. What does status quo mean? Existing state of affairs. The killer mountain is Nanga Parbat. Sahara Desert is located in northern Africa. The inventor of cell phone belonged to which company? Motorola. Quetta Mashhad bus service started by Musharraf under Vision 2030 started in 2007. Persona ficta stands for artificial person and a judicial person, yani both A and B. In camera means in private. Deepest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Ultra wires mean beyond pars. Largest concrete dam in the world is Grand Coulee Dam. Largest internet using country in the world is China. Soft drink contains carbon dioxide. National Day of Afghanistan is on 19th of August. Third desert is subtropical desert. CSS करंट अफेयर पास्ट पेपर जो सॉल्यूशन है इस सीरीज़ का जो हमारा आज का पार्ट है जो है वो है 2015 का। इसमें जो MCQs थे वो पहला है, ऑपरेशन डेजर्ट शील्ड वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स इन 2 अगस्त 1990। Operation Enduring Freedom (OEF) was conducted by US in Afghanistan. Suez Canal was nationalized by Egypt on July 26, 1956. Operation Gibraltar resulted in which war? Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. The United Nations International Day of Peace is celebrated on September 21 since 1982. Next, Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in the age of 39. Ozone layer absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiations या सन से अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन बोथ ए एंड बी, चाहे वो सन से हो या दूसरी अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस जो ओजोन लेयर है वो एब्जॉर्ब करती है। वर्ल्ड वाटर डे इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 22 मार्च। What material is used to coat iron in the galvanizing process? Zinc. For purifying drinking water, alum is used for coagulation of mud particles. The Shahnama or Book of Kings was written by Abu al-Qasim Firdausi. Galileo's most famous invention was telescope. Next, the theory that a single dominant power can maintain world peace is called hegemonic stability theory. Next, ecology is the study of environment. The self-interest pursued by individuals causing collective destruction is called theory of the tragedy of justified war. Next, the relative humidity depends on temperature, location, weather, all of the above. इसका आंसर all of the above है, यहाँ none लिखा हुआ है. Infrared radiations from the sun are strongly absorbed by greenhouse gases. The largest part of our hydrosphere is Pacific Ocean. Friction can be reduced by changing from sliding to rolling. The latitude AA on the map represents the equator. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। TSS करंट अफेयर्स पाकिस्तान पास्ट पेपर्स जो सॉल्यूशन की सीरीज़ है ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट की, उसका जो अब का है वो है 2016। उसमें जो MCQs आए थे वो है द रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रिलीजियस थाट इन इस्लाम वाज रिटन बाय अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल। Next, the world's largest democracy is India. Next, Obama is the dash president of USA, 44th. National anthem composed by Ahmed G. Chagla. Headquarters of International Court of Justice is at Hague, Netherlands. Kalabagh Dam is not yet constructed due to politically damage coastal ecology, shortage of cultivable land, all of these. तो इसका जो है आंसर है वो all of these है. ये तमाम रीज़न थे कालाबाग जो अभी तक डैम बना नहीं है. लार्जेस्ट आर्म्स इम्पोर्टेंट इन 2014 सऊदी अरेबिया. Term intifada means uprising. Freedom House NGO headquarters in Washington DC, United States of America. Fifth international recognized mode of payment is Chinese yuan. Who is the president of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB? जिन लीक्विन. रिमेंबर ये 2016 का करंट अफेयर्स है, उस लिहाज से आंसर दिया गया है. जो करंट AIIB का प्रेसिडेंट है उस लिहाज से आपने आंसर करना है. नेक्स्ट, नेल्सन मंडेला इंटरनेशनल डे और मंडेला डे is celebrated each year on 18th July. Next, the Pakistan's People Party-led government signed the Gwadar Agreement with China on February 18, 2013. India-China Joint Military Training Exercise Hand in Hand 2015 took place at Kunming Military Academy, Yunnan, China. The Order of the Rising Sun is the highest military award of Japan. Pakistan's first communication satellite, the PakSat-1R, was launched in August 2011. What was the old name of Sri Lanka? What was the old name of Sri Lanka? Sandip, Ceylon, Lakandipa, all of these. First Secretary General of UN was Trygve Lie, belonged to Norway. Pakistan launched its first satellite with the collaboration of China in 1990 was Badr-1. Pakistan and Russia signed a landmark defense agreement on 19th August 2015. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. सीसीएस करंट अफेयर्स पास्ट पेपर्स जो सोल्यूशन है उस सीरीज़ का जो आज का हमारा है वो है 2017 का. इसमें जो MCQs थे इनमें पहला है फीफा वर्ल्ड कप 2018 विल बी होस्टेड बाय रशिया. Number of OIC Muslim member states 57. Number of European Union member states 28. Cold War period 1947 to 1991. NPT is Non-Proliferation Treaty. AFP is the news agency of France. Headquarters of ICJ, The Hague, Netherlands. Oldest satellite site is in Kazakhstan. UK's head of state, Queen Elizabeth II. Country that once was the colony of UK. Burma. Next, oldest tennis venue, Wimbledon. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. Last census in Pakistan was held in 2017. First Muslim Nobel laureate Anwar Sadat. Objective resolution was presented by Liaquat Ali Khan. The world's largest producer of cotton, China. United States bombed on Hiroshima. अगस्त 6 1945 1945 अगस्त 6 1945 collapse of USSR due to economic failure. Country having largest gas reserves, Russia. Suez Canal connects Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम CSS करंट अफेयर पास्ट पेपर्स की जो सॉल्यूशन सीरीज़ है उसमें जो आज का हमारा ईयर है दैट इज़ 2018. इसके जो MCQs हैं वो इन जून 2013 द तालिबान ऑफिशियली ओपनड देयर ऑफिस इन कतर. Which country hosted first ever One Belt One Road OBOR summit? China. Quadrilateral Coordination Group QCG consists of US, Pakistan, China and Afghanistan. Macau's return to China in December 20, 1999. UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. Next, Association of South East Asian Nations, ASEAN, has 10 member states. Next, East Asia boundary between communist and non-communist is called Bamboo Curtain. The military exercise between Russia and Pakistan named Friendship 2017, Zirba 2017, both इसका नाम both था. Yerevan is the capital of Armenia. Cambodia ceased to be French colony in 1953. The current president of France, Emmanuel Macron. Pakistan purchased 4 helicopters Mi-35 from Russia. Each year, International Day of Peace is observed around the world in 21st September. The largest enclosed inland body of water on the earth by area is Caspian Sea. Iran nuclear deal was signed in 15 July 2015. Next, where will be the next Summer Olympics 2020 be held? In Tokyo, Japan. The official currency of Syria is Syrian pound. Muhammad Ali Jond has been honored with the International Children's Peace Prize 2017. He hails from which country? Syria. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan on 11 December 1997. The current Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir is Raja Farooq Haider Khan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CSS Current Affairs Past Paper Solution का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है उसकी सीरीज़ जो है वो उसका हमारा 2019 है. उसमें जो MCQs हैं उसका पहला MCQ है कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना फिक्स्ड हिज सैलरी एज द गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ पाकिस्तान एट रुपी वन. उन्होंने अपनी सैलरी एज द गवर्नर जनरल ₹1 सेलेक्ट की थी. ऑपरेशन ज़र्ब-ए-अज़ब वाज स्टार्टेड ऑन 15 June 2014. Gymnophobia is the fear of nudity. The book Higher Than Hobbes is the biography of Nelson Mandela. Who was the founder of America's Republican Party? None of these. Alexander Hamilton था, फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट भी नहीं था, जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन भी नहीं था. Maharaja Gulab Singh Dogra sold Kashmir to British government in 1846. Who was the first Chief Minister of Balochistan from 1972 to 13 February 1973? Sardar Ataullah Khan Mengal. Which among the following countries release the highest amount of carbon dioxide into atmosphere? China. East India Company was established in 1600. Punjab Police established in 1861. McMahon Line is border between India and China. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development 1992 was held in Rio de Janeiro. Who was the first Muslim Air Chief Marshal of Pakistan? Air Marshal Asghar Khan. A terrorist attack was launched on Army Public School in Peshawar on 16 December 2014. WAFA WFA is the news agency of which country? That is Palestine. RAW stands for Research and Analysis Wing. The first martial law in Pakistan was imposed in October 1958. The Iran-Pakistan gas pipeline, also known as the Peace Pipeline. Which country does not have any army? Iceland. Pakistani government decided to exploit the third coal field for electricity production in 2008. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। CSS करंट अफेयर पास्ट पेपर के जो सॉल्यूशन है उनका जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है उसका जो हमारा ईयर 2020 है। इनमें इस ईयर में जो MCQ आए थे, पहला था ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस इज़ एन इंडेक्स पब्लिश्ड बाय द वर्ल्ड बैंक। The fourth China-Afghanistan-Pakistan trilateral foreign ministers dialogue in 2020 will be hosted by China. First National Science and Technology Park of Pakistan was inaugurated by Imran Khan, December 9, 2019. Imran Khan inaugurated Azakhel Dry Port in Nowshera on January 10, 2020. 2019 Indo-Pacific Chiefs Defense (CHOD) conference was held in Bangkok. Next, according to CPT report in 2018, the world military expenditure has grown to $1.8 trillion. $1.8 trillion. Iranian Gen Qasem Soleimani was killed on January 3, 2020. The members of UN Human Rights Council are 18. The WTO is the successor to GATT. Commonwealth Day is annually observed on second Monday of March. NAFTA NAFTA is an agreement signed by Canada, US and Mexico. UN Human Rights Day is observed on December 10. Sumatra Island is situated in Indonesia. In September 2019, Abqaiq and Quraysh were attacked. These two places are situated in Saudi Arabia. Currently, the number of NATO member states is 29. Pakistan applied for membership in Nuclear Suppliers Group on 19th May 2016. Last SAARC summit was held in 2014. Imran Khan addressed the UNGA on September 27, 2019. The 2020 presidential election in USA will be held on 3 November. SALT II treaty was signed in 1979.